Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to make it umbrella which is very helpful in monsoon season. So we are going to make it umbrella with the help of lines and shapes. Take pencil, take eraser and your colors. Now we are going to start one curve, one deep curve at the same point, one more curve, one more curve, one more, one more, one more, and one more. Now at the center, one long triangle, fill it inside dark color. Again joining towards a center point, one curve, joining towards center point with the curve. Same thing here, same thing here. Now it's going to there. Here, now I'm going to make it rod. Go straight, go straight, close it. Now we are going to make it handle. One straight line downside, one straight line downside, one curve going towards. If you want to make it in this direction, you can also make it in this direction. Now I'm going to make it in this direction, so I'm going to make it curve there more and making one more curve and touching to the first point. This is my handle. Here our umbrella is ready. Now I want to show some few clouds. There are the few clouds. Again there are the few clouds. I want to show little bit drops coming out from the cloud. Even also you can make a card, happy monsoon wala card. Even also you can make it on EVS projects. Now our drawing is done. Now we are going to our color. Take it orange color first and yellow color. I am going to fill it randomly. First I will fill orange color. First do the border and do it politely because space is very small. Here I did orange. Now I am going towards, I am leaving one passage for doing the yellow color. Now I am going to third one. Again I am leaving the fourth and going towards last second. Here I done. Now I am going to yellow color. Cover the border and fill inside. Here my umbrella is going to finish. Yes. Now I am going towards rod. Take it light brown color. Fill it very slowly because it is very thin. Now I am going to make it our handle red. Red color towards handle. Do it slowly. Now my whole umbrella is ready. Now I am going to take it sky blue color in a cloud. First cover the border. Fill it inside. Fill it slowly. Make it dark. Here my cloud is ready. Now going towards another cloud. Border it first. Cover your border slowly. Fill it inside by slipping mode. Now I want to make it few backdrop with a sky blue color. Make it light backdrop by giving a strokes, slipping strokes. Here is our atmosphere. Here is my umbrella ready, kids. You can enjoy your drawing in monsoon as well as in EVS project and many more. Thank you, kids.